No, it's a great machine. Yeah, I don't know why every cotton farmer doesn't have one.
G'day. So Scott, just a couple of things with the Tiger. This is 6MT. What are you mainly using this for in your program?
Oh, for the irrigation, we're probably stubble incorporation. Yep. So we go through and we centre bust everything now, and then we bring this straight through and we knock the rows out, what's left, and then we just come behind with the furrow rig and furrow it back out. So this is knocking down a fair bit of stubble and incorporating it in one pass.
And your compaction is one of your main issues that you...
Oh, we're not too bad in compaction wise, but it's there for sure. Yeah. But it's really just getting rid of all that stubble that we're growing bigger yields, bigger crops, and we're trying to do less passes, and with this I reckon we're 3 passes. So 3 passes less running this through conventionally the way we used to do it.
What sort of depth are you getting out of your tines? Like this system?
Look, the tines we're probably getting, I reckon, 300, and we're running a full disc. Yeah. So we're getting probably 2 inches below the original furrow.
You're doing 9 Ks?
Yeah, probably 8.5, and we run it around that 12% wheel slip. We did go this year. We put front duals on, spread duals on. Yeah. And the wheel slip come down a little bit, but not too bad. Yeah. So, but we're probably using a good 100% of the horsepower, that's for sure.
So this has done a bit of work, and
this one's done plenty of work. So this will do all our chickpea country, all our renovating of our dry land. So it normally probably does about 400 to 800 hectares a year. Yeah, and then all the cotton country. So.
And that's original discs on that one?
No, it's second set. Second set.
And the point wear has been good. You're using the mulch mix.
Yes, and we haven't changed any of the points yet.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay. So the points at the back haven't been touched. And this is the second set of discs. So I reckon by the time we go through, we've got 400 hectares of chickpeas, depending on how wet. Or when we renovate that, but we'll probably wear these discs out on that, I'd say. No, it's a great machine. Yeah, I don't know why every cotton farmer doesn't have one.
Yeah.